Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the month of August and how the price of silver can move in the month of September 2024. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver from 4 months it is continuously in the downside. As you can see, 4 candles are forming. Okay, and it has already made a high of around $32.5, which you have to understand that if the price started going again above a level of $30, chances will be high it can cross this level because this particular pattern will form. So chances of crossing a level of around $30 we can see, and then it can move above a level of $31.5, and then it can cross this particular level. Now if we look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver mostly moves in a zone. Okay, and whenever there is a zone breakout happens, we have seen an upside zone as well as a downfall. Okay, this is what we have seen looking at this particular chart. After pandemic, what had happened, that we have seen there is a continuous upside in the price of silver. After making a half around $30.3, it came down and didn't sustain till the time it has not crossed the level of 29.4, and at this level we have seen it has moved upside and now trading continuously downside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the volatility is in the range of around from 31.7 with a low of around 26.2. This is the $5 movement we have seen in the price of silver. Okay, in these 4 months, and this is an all-time high that you have to understand that if the price started sustaining above $30, probability will be high it can cross this level of 32, because this particular pattern can support towards an upside. If you look at the dollar index, now dollar index was trying to go upside. As we have seen in the last week, it is going higher, but if you go on a month's chart, you will see that it is, after making a half around $101.9, it is trying to go down. Because see, if you look at this particular trend, this is the zone and this particular opposite U pattern is forming. So chances are very high that if the price started going below a level of 1.5, which is already being below that level, we can see it can go further low, and yes, it can cross a level of around $100.3 also, and then it can go below a level of 100. Okay, and then it can cross a level of 99.4, which is the low of this particular zone. So chances can be high a further downfall we can see. Keeping that in mind, if the dollar index started going down, we can see the price of silver will go upside. Okay, but if the price of dollar started going upside, we can see the price of silver will go down, because they are inversely related. Okay, but if suppose it form a swing and started sustaining above a level of 101.9, then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $102. Okay, if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of 103, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $103.8, and then a further upside movement we can see. So you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that if the price started going above a level of 101.9, a further upside movement we can see in the price of dollar index. So if the price of dollar index started going higher, we will see the price of silver will go down if the price of dollar index started going upside. Coming back on the price of silver, what we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $27.69. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of touching 27.190 will be there. Okay, and once started falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards 26.495. Okay, and this is the low of this zone, so chances will be high it will go towards its next support of 26.8. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, because what we have seen, this is the level a bounce back can come, but if it started falling below this level, we can see a level of 26.4, which is the low of this zone. Okay, but if the price started falling below this level, next level is very close, that is around 26.2. A bounce back can come from this level also, this level also. Okay, and then it will move in the zone if the price started falling below this level. So we can see it will fall further low towards a level of around 25.8, and then to a level of $25.3. And then if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $25. Okay, and then to a level of around 24.7, and if the price started falling, it will move in this zone only. Okay, but you have to understand, suppose if the price sustain, what we can see, you have to understand that as soon as the price started falling below a level of 26.6, it will move in this zone, and then it will move in the zone of around 21 to a level of 24.5. I have already explained you the supports, but if the price sustain, what we can see, market is always uncertain, so you have to understand and look on both the sides. So it form a swing. So what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $28.74. Okay, if the price moving above that particular 28.7 is already being a weak support, so resistance, so chances will be high it can cross this level and it will go above a level to 30.1. This 30.1 is also being tested, so chances are it will cross that level and it will go towards $31.5. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside towards a level of 31.8 we can see. Keeping that in mind, that we can see it will go towards 31.8, then it will touch a level of $32.4, which is a half this zone. Okay, and this is an all-time high, so probability of going and crossing this level we can see, and then it will go towards a level of 33. Keep trailing your SL so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, we have seen mostly the dollar moves in a zone of around $2 to $3 in a month, so probability can be high. If the price started moving out of this level, you can trail your SL by $1 or 0.5 so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,